Question number 2. Chantel is asking, what top 3 to 5 practices do you recommend a fashion business owner to implement and how often? The first reason for entrepreneurial failure is being unable to keep your emotions in check. If I would ask you what is the first reason, you would come up with everything else but not this one. You would say kind of laziness, being not able to run the business, money. It all actually ends at the moment when you cannot keep your freaking emotions in check, acting hysterical, procrastinating while being held hostage to the thoughts that you are not good enough, that no one likes you, that everyone finds your product ridiculous. These thoughts are caused by lack of self-care. Clean diet, physical exercise, and journaling are the must-have practices that will help you to keep your emotions in check, to be physically healthy, and to perform well in business. So this is the first thing. What are the practices? The first practices I recommend: eat clean, exercise daily, and journal daily. These 3 things to keep yourself sane and healthy. And the second reason for entrepreneurial failure is lack of cash flow. Setting monthly goals and frequent monitoring of your financial data is the second practice you should adopt. At any day, you should be able to see what is your projected revenue for 12 months ahead. You should know how much your turnover will be in the next month, 2 months from now, in the next 12 months, so that you can calibrate, that you can adjust your strategy towards growth of your company. And for strategic data, evaluation takes place once per month. So once you have all your numbers, you evaluate your strategic data. Your projected revenue should be accessible to you on daily basis. You should be able to see your projected revenue on daily basis, not wait like till the end of the month to see that it's not enough revenue in the next month. So this is a daily check for everyone. And for certain areas such as advertising, you will need to have a daily check as well, because daily strategical calibration is needed. You cannot set up a YouTube advertisement or Facebook advertisement, set it there and say, oh, at the end of this month I'm going to check, because at the end of the month you will figure out that all these campaigns you set up are not working. You've spent your advertisement budget with no results. It means that you will need to check these stats every day and calibrate daily until your ads work, and actually after they work as well. If you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded fashion brand owners, join the 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind, a mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. Link in description under this video.